In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict guest checkout quickly and easily using WooCommerce on WordPress. This tutorial is perfect for online store owners who want to ensure that customers register an account before making a purchase. Limiting guest checkouts can help you better manage customer data, streamline the ordering process, and build a stronger relationship with your clientele. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is essentially your website's control center, where all important settings and plugins are configured. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the WooCommerce option in the side menu. WooCommerce is the e-commerce platform that powers your store, handling everything from products and payments to checkout options. Clicking on WooCommerce brings you to its main interface, where you'll find various tabs for different configuration areas. Next, you're going to click on Settings. The WooCommerce settings page is crucial as it contains all the parameters governing the functionality of your online store. After entering the settings page, look for the tab labeled Accounts and Privacy. This section is specifically tailored for managing customer accounts and privacy preferences. Once you're in the Accounts and Privacy section, you'll see a range of settings related to customer registration and privacy options. Here, look for the setting option related to guest checkout. What you want to do is find and uncheck the box labeled Enable Guest Checkout. By leaving this box unchecked, you ensure that all customers must create or log into an account before completing their purchases. This step is fundamental for achieving your goal of restricting guest checkouts on your site. After making this critical change, remember to scroll down and locate the Save Changes button. Clicking this button is crucial because it applies all modifications you've made to your store's checkout process. Without saving, your changes won't take effect, and customers will still be able to make purchases without an account. And there you have it. With these few steps, you've configured your WooCommerce store to require customer registration before checkout. This setup not only enhances the customer experience by allowing them to track orders and receive updates seamlessly, but also benefits you as a business owner by creating a comprehensive customer database. Thank you for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights and tips on managing your online store efficiently.